What's poppin', y'all? In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to get a Temu unlimited free spin. Without further ado, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys use my link down below to sign up how to make more money and how to get free product and how to be Temu campus ambassador, all that stuff, and how to get 30% off every single purchase you made through Temu. Without further ado, I'll go ahead and show you guys step by step how to play these games and how to earn the real cash and real prize. So what you want to do, you're going to want to go ahead and click on U icon. And you're going to go ahead and scroll up to earn gift and free gifts. So once you're here, I recommend you guys to play this one first so you guys can earn whatever you guys got going on. Okay, so you can just play with this a little bit. Here, I'll show you guys how. I'll show you guys how you win that. Withdraw again. You win that. So this is just to improve you to so you can to get the within Temu prize, so you can buy whatever you want with these tickets, as many as you want though. I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about here. So we try one more time. Come on, let's get a 3 or 2. Okay. All right. And our chances are done. I can send this link down below, down in the description, because it will expire within 24 hours. So let's go ahead and move that. Leave. Okay. So this is the game we're gonna play today. And this will be right here, redeem cash. So you're just gonna click there and start playing. Let's see where it will take us right now. As you see, you can win almost $480 up to $580, and let's see where it will take us. And a lot of people are actually withdrawing a lot of money from this, and I'll show you guys the result, like most of my students are doing to win, like to make a good passive income from Temu. I mean, you can see it right here. People has withdrawn $1,000. As you see, the first person has won almost $21,000 from Temu, just from Temu itself. So make sure you guys are actually playing these games. So as you see, the coins are going up right now. Let's see where we can go with this. Let's flip another. We're going with the easy mode. I'll show you guys exactly why I meant to. You guys need to start playing these games because you guys will redeem real money, real cash. And as you see, most of the people are playing right now these games, and they're withdrawing cash back to back, as you see here. See, these are all the people who are cashing out. Now it's your time. Keep on earning. Let's keep on spinning this thing. As you see, these people just refer and earn $18,000 just from Temu itself. And that this literally how a lot of people are making like money, like good passive income, just from Temu, just off Temu itself, by playing these games. And I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about here. So with this, now we just need to have one more spin. That's not bad. All right, so exactly here, this is what I meant right here. Let me show you guys exactly what I meant. So as you see, a lot of people right now are winning real money from Temu. Just refer friends, and I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Oh my God. For one friend, 2 and get one spin again. Okay. All right. So as you guys can see, all these people right here, as we draw thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars every single day. You know, the least person that withdraw 9,000, and this person right here withdraw almost a lot of money. Okay, if you guys are watching this, you guys are real OG. And just so right now on the top right here, they're showing you guys. And so right now we currently have 397, and if you hit 500, you can redeem almost $100. Okay, If you hit 400, you can redeem almost $300. You see here, $300. You redeem that. So if you want, so once they give you this, once they show you this icon right here, let's go back. Refer one friend, so you can get a next spin. If you keep on spinning until you hit one of these, if you keep on spinning until you hit one of 400 coins, you get to withdraw real actually cash just for withdrawing right now. See that? You get to withdraw real actually cash. And basically that will be it for the video. Make sure you guys are playing these games because Temu is not going to be here for a long time. I see that Temu will be taken down sooner by the USA government, of course. I'm not really talking about that, but make sure you guys are playing these games though. Peace out. Make sure you guys subscribe too.